Ekiuni President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nu koto moineri kiela ashomi atupito nike retired Major Jessica Alupo koto mopuchile nomunu matarabi kiran nuka St. Francis Little Sisters ikara kwatatalu aijanakin. President Museveni nyesa balebe epuchitilo abikirana koto matukoto kechena ka St. Francis Little Sisters hainu munumi kara kwatatalu aijanakin nyesera jiananu tunayuni kechelo kasuban uno karle lukum tediope akwata kanyango na kaisareuni abuda President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tura bikiran koto matukoto kech kanoda waina kina kech haiti jibakor ade kasine kama musaijieni kaneja situnga luko Uganda. President Museveni nyesi alamaneja akelesia na tuli kanoda waiso manara kech kapugana ka NRM.
Your Excellency, I wish to congratulate the Little Sisters of St. Francis upon reaching their 100th anniversary. This celebration is a testimony of your faithfulness to God and mankind since 1st May 1923. I therefore join you to celebrate the vision and the wisdom of Sister Mary Kevin Kiani and her companions, who laid a solid foundation for the Little Sisters of St. Francis. I commend the Little Sisters of St. Francis for your devotion to the fight against poverty, disease, and ignorance in the communities. I want to thank the Catholic Church for maintaining a cordial relationship and partnership with the NRM government in working towards the socio-economic transformation of the Ugandan society.
Abuda ichora kengare no kolu idinin aisi nyikoiki ni kristayon aloma rito makiron wakor na itabari etatai ka ICT kwa pede iponelo edumnata Aswamisinei kapia inu itopoloite ikaliakech.
It is important to emphasize to believers that in addition to seeking spiritual nourishment from the places of worship, they should also participate in income-generating activities to sustain their households. All believers should take the example of Jesus Christ, who, besides preaching the good news, was also a carpenter. Government will continue to ensure maintenance of peace and security in the whole country. The economic advantages that the NRM has created must be translated into jobs and wealth for the households. Once again, I congratulate you all upon reaching the milestone of 100 years of existence and wish you success in all your future plans and endeavors. Your Excellency, His Excellency the President also sent me here with a special message. Your Excellency, I'm going to hand over, with your permission, a humble sum of 60 million shillings to Sister Rita to help in the completion of these celebrations. And I thank you once again.
Epuchit loda wainumunum ikara kwa tatalu waijanakin nyesida inumunumitai kae misala gayon ingare niktabu ikinto ni papa ko Uganda Luigi Bianco ingara kinto si Bishop Silue gelegela ingare no koluda dokenanu egelegela kolumunto so Uganda, America, UK ka Canada kesaja ikina tomo puchitilo. Kanuka TV East, Alexander Makeyo Kori.